This video will be going over call outcomes. You can use call outcomes to disposition your calls within Shape software. What you'll want to do first is go to your settings, and then scroll down to your preferences and find Manage Call Outcomes. From here, you can add, edit, and reorganize your call outcomes. To add a call outcome, just click Add Call Outcome here, type it out. You can select a different color for it, and save. It's important to know that the top call outcome will be the default call disposition on every call unless changed by the user in the dialer slide out. So if this isn't the default that you want, you'll just want to drag and drop it. Now, when making calls, the dialer slide out will look a little something like this. To set a call outcome, all that your users have to do is click on this drop down here that says call outcome and select the call outcome that they would like. If you have any questions regarding call outcomes, how to set them up, or how to use them, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com at any time.